Hello, dear Slaters. Hope you all are having good time by watching these videos and learning from them. If you remember, in the last videos, we have started a new chapter, subtraction. We have even learnt about the terms and properties of subtraction. And before we start our today's session, let's recapitulate the things that we learnt in our previous class. I will ask you few questions about subtraction. You try answering them. Okay? First question. What is the result of subtraction called as? Second question. The bigger number from which we subtract is called as dash. Third question. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get dash of that number. Fourth question. Minuend minus dash is equal to difference. Now let's check your answers. First answer. The result of subtraction is called as difference. Second answer. The bigger number from which we subtract is called as minuend. Third answer. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get predecessor of that number. Fourth answer. Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. I am very sure you all have got the right answers. Now, in today's class, we will see how to do subtraction of 3-digit and 4-digit numbers without regrouping and with regrouping. Watch these videos and understand. Don't forget to pause the video wherever required and write down the notes. Okay, Slaters, let's start.
Subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Example 1. Subtract 413 from 824. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns of ones, tens and hundreds. Step 2. Subtract the ones. 4 ones minus 3 ones equals 1 1. Step 3. Subtract the tens. 2 tens minus 1 10 equals 1 10. Step 4. Subtract the hundreds. 8 hundreds minus 4 hundreds equals 4 hundreds. Answer 411.
Subtraction of 3-digit number with borrowing. Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. Now look at the numbers 343 and 156. Place them in place value table. Here, 3 units is less than 6 units. So, we borrow tens so that digit in tens place is reduced by 1 and the digit in unit place increased by 10 and become 13. So, 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Now observe that 3 tens are less than 5 tens. So we need to borrow again, but this time from the hundreds place. So the hundreds place is reduced by 1 to become 2 and the tens place is increased by 10 and becomes 13. Now 13 tens minus 5 tens is equal to 8 tens and 2 hundreds minus 1 hundreds is equal to 1. So the difference is equal to 187. I hope you understood this method.
Subtract the following numbers. 5,605 minus 2,304. 5,625 minus 4,213. Let's solve the first problem. 5,605 minus 2,304. Subtract the ones. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Next, subtract the tens. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Next, subtract the hundreds. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Finally, subtract the thousands. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Hence, 5,605 minus 2,304 is equal to 3,301. Let's solve the next problem. 5,625 minus 4,213. Subtract the ones. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Next, subtract the tens. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Next, subtract the hundreds. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Finally, subtract the thousands. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Hence, 5,625 minus 4,213 is equal to 1,412.
Subtraction with borrowing. Decomposing. Subtract 3,678 from 8,163. Arrange numbers in column form. Subtract ones. Since 8 is greater than 3, so borrow 1 tenth from 6 tenths. 1 10 plus 3 ones is equal to 13 ones. Subtract 8 from 13, or 13 minus 8 are equal to 5 ones. Subtract tens. Since 1 tenth is borrowed from 6 tenths, so we are left with 5 tenths. Since 7 is greater than 5, so borrow 1 hundredth from 1 hundredth. 1 hundredth plus 5 tenths is equal to 15 tenths. Subtract 7 from 15, or 15 minus 7 are equal to 8 tenths. Subtract hundredths. Since 1 hundredth is borrowed, so we are left with 0 hundredths. Since 6 is greater than 0, so borrow 1 thousandths from 8 thousandths. 1 thousandths plus 0 hundredths is equal to 10 hundredths. Subtract 6 from 10, or 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, is equal to 4 hundredths. Subtract thousands. Since 1 thousandth is borrowed from 8 thousandths, we are left with 7 thousandths. Subtract 3 from 7, or 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 thousandths. Thus, 8,163 minus 3,678 is equal to 4,485.
That's it for today, dear Slaters. You have seen how subtraction is done for 3-digit and 4-digit numbers without regrouping and with regrouping. Watch this video again to understand better. And if you get any doubts, you can ask your math teacher and clarify them. We will solve subtraction problems in our next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye, Slaters. Thank you.